Today's reading, my dear brothers and sisters, and especially the life of the saint we celebrate, Saint Barnabas, would like to teach us about appreciating our gifts and blessings that we can also call as our salt and our light. But what we admire of them most is that they all gave generously their gifts. Ang balo sa Saripat po ay nagbahagi nung kanyang tinapay kay Elias kahit alam na niyang ito na yung kanyang huling tinapay at ito na lang marahil yung huli nilang kakainin before her son and herself would face death. And again, we've heard how Jesus would like to encourage us to shed light, to make our salt and light visible so that it may be seen before others and others may glorify God through our good deeds. And on the one hand, the saint that we celebrate, Saint Barnabas, gave his gifts by at least sharing his property and giving that property or possession for the good of the Christian community. And these people gave and shared what they have, not for show, but for others to be happy and full. Inilabas nila ang kanilang mga biyaya para may maging masaya, may mabusog, at may maging kontento sa buhay na ito. They knew well that their gifts, as we have said, their salt and light, is not for safekeeping or, shall we say, for show only, but for others to be happy and well in this life. Mga kapatid, ang biyaya ay hindi itinatago pero inilalabas at hindi lang palabas. The heart of the widow was so pure that she shared her bread to Elijah, not for fame, but because she cares. And that is why she was blessed with an abundance of that bread that they feasted for 1 year. Barnabas gave his possession, not because he is able, but he cares so much for these people. Inilabas nila ang biyaya, hindi para maging palabas, pero para maging totoo ang liwanag at ang asin sa mundong ito. Our salt and light may be so big or so small. May talent tayong kumanta, magluto, mag-aral ng mabuti, magtrabaho na maigi, mag-alaga ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, and yet many to mention that you all know that you know and have. And this salt and light are not for us to keep, are not to us to be showy only, but to be mirrors of care and love for others. And when our salt and light, the gifts that we have, are given and shared, we know how we have blessed lives and how we will also be blessed by God. Ang asin at ilaw, maliit man yan o malaki, may maiaambag at may itutulong iyan kung ilalabas at ibabahagi. It need not to be big or great, but sometimes it is just a small act of kindness, a simple act of a gesture of help, a pure act of love that can make others alive and enlightened. My dear friends, let us not be afraid to let our light and our salt come out, or to give our salt and light, little or big as it may be. Let that be shown, and let that give life.
Please stand.